This is CodeYam's codebase. We built a lot of it using Claude Code. And a problem that we kept running into is that with every new session, important context got lost. Claude had to research the same files and often made the same mistakes over and over again. So we built CodeYam Memory to improve that. We've been dog booting CodeYam Memory on our own repo. Here are all of our own rules. And here is an example of a rule that CodeYam Memory created. You can see what paths this rule affected, how the rule was recently changed, and we can see the exact text of the rule itself. And there are now rules across our whole code base, capturing things like architecture decisions, naming conventions, things that tripped Claude up earlier on that should be handled better now. And as we use Claude Code, a background agent looks for anything that is confusing or complex and writes rules as it goes. It also checks rules to ensure that they stay up to date as our code changes. So here we can see all of the rules that have been recently added or edited so we can track the changes that the background agent made to the rules. And here we can see which files have the most rules applied to them, and so we can catch if rules are taking up too much of the context window and try to cut them down. Rules come from each working session. So after each Claude Code session, CodeYam Memory reviews what happened, what confused Claude, what decisions were made, and improves rules for next time. We built this tool because we really needed it. The CodeYam CLI is free, runs locally, and has no registration required. So install it and give your AI a better memory.